Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick install of this beautiful kinky crochet wig that I made. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. Cutting out the lace around the ear part before moving on to the next step. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and measure and cut out my elastic band. So you want to make sure not to cut the elastic band too short. If it's too short, it will pull on the wig too tight around the front, and you will end up giving yourself headache. So make sure to cut out the right size for the elastic band. So I went ahead and cut out my elastic band. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the wig cap. So right here, I want my elastic band to sit behind my ear. So I'm placing it behind the ear part of the wig, and I'm sewing it to the black cap, not the lace. I'm sewing the elastic band to the black crochet cap. So right here, I'm going ahead to cut out the thread so I can work on the other side of the elastic band. And also right here, you want to make sure that the elastic band is not twisted, okay? Make sure it's not twisted. Once you make sure of that, go ahead and attach it to the other side of the wig cap. I'm attaching the elastic band behind the ear part of the wig, and I'm also sewing it to the black cap, not the lace. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm going in with my foundation. I'm going to be using the foundation to tint the lace and also to kind of hide the knots. So here is how the wig is looking so far. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm going to be cutting out the lace from the front part of the wig. So I'm doing that using a eyebrow razor. So I like to cut the lace on the mannequin instead of cutting it on my head. So I feel more comfortable cutting out the excess lace on the mannequin head than to do it on myself. So yeah. Okay, so now that all that is done, then moving on to the next part, I've already put on my wig cap, and here is the wig, and here is the inside. I'm just going ahead to pop on the wig just like that. Look at that. So right here, I'm going ahead to adjust it to place it where I want the wig to sit, doing my adjustment, making sure everything is properly lined up. So right here, I'm just giving you guys a quick check. Like, this is how the wig is sitting with just with the elastic band, no spray, nothing, just the elastic band. But as you know, we gotta get rid of those we need to hide the lace, the edge of the lace in front. So right here, I'm going in with a got-to-be spray, and I'm spraying it all over my forehead. I'm doing a lazy install today. Lazy install. I'm just spraying the got-to-be spray all over my forehead, and right here, I'm going in with the hand dryer, and I'm blowing in some air. So right here, I'm checking to make sure that the spray is a bit sticky before going ahead to place the lace on top. And right now I'm going ahead to position the wig where I want it to sit, and also pressing the edge of the lace down. Taking the ratchet comb, using that to press down the edge of the lace to get kind of matted down, really. So using a combination of the ratchet comb, my finger, and the blow dryer. Look at this though. Look at this. Oh wow. I love this wig. Seriously, just look at that. So next I'm going in to wipe off the spray out of my forehead, and next I'm going to take a hairband or hair wrap, and I'm going to wrap that around the edges. So right here I'm going in with a hair wrap, and I'm wrapping it all the way around. So I'm going to let that sit while I do my makeup. Okay, I went ahead and did my makeup, and I'm back. So for the back of the wig, I'm going to be securing it down using two bobby pins. This is the side part. Just going ahead to clean it up a bit or straighten it up. So here is the final result of the crochet wig. Look at this right here. I love this wig. Look at this. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next one.